Summer, my favorite season, tomatoes. It's going to end in about 6 weeks, and now's the time to eat all of those beautiful fresh tomatoes you can find at the farmer's market. This is a tomato, feta, and store-bought pie crust galette. So simple. I pre-floured the surface because you need to do that. You don't want your pie crust sticking. A little bit of extra flour on your rolling pin. Little flour on the surface here so nothing sticks. And you're going to want to roll it out. Doesn't have to be pretty. Doesn't have to be exactly round because you're going to fold up the sides. You just want it about 12 inches because you want enough room to put those tomatoes. Okay, so we've rolled it out. And now I'm just going to roll it gently back onto the rolling pin because I want to be able to transfer it over to the sheet tray that has parchment paper on it. Parchment is so it's not going to stick to the sheet tray. You're just going to unroll it so it's there. See, it's not round, it's not perfect. Feta. All the feta down. Keep it about 2 inches away from the edge because that's what we're going to roll in. Shallots. This is the basil and thyme. Fresh. Salt and pepper. And now you're going to lay the tomatoes on. Again, no particular order, just however they lay down. And you're just going to cover the cheese. Yeah, I guess that's about it. And now this is also easy. You're just folding and pinching. Pinch it down because you want it to stay up. Fold and pinch. Fold and pinch. Sort of an easy pleat. You see it's not even. There's nothing the same perfect anything. It's the great thing about these very rustic tarts or galettes. French word, and there it is. And you just sort of pinch down a little bit on this to make sure that nothing's going to slide out in the baking. And we've just got some whole sprigs of thyme here, fresh thyme, because it smells fabulous. And now we're ready to put it in the oven. Our galette is cooked. It's about 45 minutes in. And we let it sit there for about 5 minutes before transferring it to a rack where it will rest for about 10 more minutes. And then you can serve it either warm or room temperature. Enjoy.